Hi, do you know the power of your subconscious mind? Do you know the subconscious mind is more than 95% of your total mind power or more? Yes. Do you know how your subconscious mind is being programmed? Do you know how you can program your subconscious mind to achieve what you want in your life? Self-hypnosis is the most powerful tool to reprogram your subconscious mind consciously, quickly, easily, effortlessly and permanently. My friend, I am Pradeep Aggarwal and I am practicing self-hypnosis since more than 50 years. I started learning hypnosis in 1972 and started teaching hypnosis in 1977. I have worked with the top level sportsmen in India and abroad. I work with the top level CEOs of the companies and help them achieve their goal using self-hypnosis. Now, self-hypnosis is the most powerful tool to reprogram your subconscious mind. I can teach you self-hypnosis in 15 minutes. You will learn how to go into self-hypnosis, program your mind and come out. But that is not enough. When I started working with the players and working with different kind of people, everybody has their own reason of doing self-hypnosis and they need a different tool. Now, once you learn how to go into self-hypnosis, you go into self-hypnosis, then what? Just practicing affirmations will not help. In my experience of more than 43 years teaching hypnosis, self-hypnosis to others, I have created some very powerful tools using visualization and a lot of other things, which I use with the different kind of people, including myself. I am practicing self-hypnosis for many years now. First time I started learning self-hypnosis 72, and since then I am practicing regularly and getting a great result. So my friend, going into self-hypnosis is one thing, programming your mind is a different thing. And for that you need a tool. So my friend, I have created some very powerful tool, more than 35 tools, which I normally teach to my participant or people who need. So I don't teach them all of them, whatever they need I teach them. So after a long time, lot of my students are asking me to teach and create a course on this. I have created a very powerful course on self-hypnosis practitioner's course. It is a 28 days WhatsApp workshop. You don't need to come to Hyderabad to learn from me directly. It will be a video course. You will get lessons for 28 days and you will have a lifetime access to the course, because we will give you the link to download all the videos and things. Plus you will learn how to teach self-hypnosis to others. Now, this is a kind of course I have never taught before in my life, though I use these tools different ways for different people. So this is the most powerful workshop ever conducted on self-hypnosis, my friend, in the world. I have traveled all over the world, all over the top hypnotists and hypnotherapists that knows me personally. And my friend, I have used these techniques to make the failure person a successful person instantly. So if you really want to take charge of your life, you want to help others, this is the workshop for you. This workshop you will learn lot of many different techniques, including removing fear, phobias, pain, changing your path. There are so many techniques I cannot talk to you right now on this video. So my friend, this will be a 28 days workshop. Every day you will get a lessons on video, so you can practice at your pace, anytime, anywhere you are in. You don't need to become on a specific time to learn. So it will all there in your WhatsApp group, so you can watch, practice and learn. And it will be a simple but very powerful techniques. In this workshop, it will be basic to advanced, plus you will learn how to teach self-hypnosis to others so that you can help others also. I'm not going to give you more details over here. These techniques, when I work and teach people, especially sportsmen, I charge between a lakh of rupees. Yes, they come to Hyderabad, stay with me, and I teach them, I work with them this technique. One-on-one, I charge them a lakh of rupees. In my hypnosis workshop also, I've never taught so many tools before, and right now I'm coming out of it because I want all of you to become powerful person, successful person in your life, so you'll have more tools. If you have more tools, what will happen? You can use whatever and whenever you need. So this workshop will be a 28 days workshop, WhatsApp workshop, video workshop, and all the videos will be HD quality, and some of my lessons will come from my live seminars recording also, so you can learn by doing it. So my friend, if you really want to take charge of your life, to have more tools in your life to achieve what you want to achieve in your life, become successful in your life, whether you are a student, whether you are a businessman or a CEO of the company, or you are a sportsman. It is for everybody. If you are a housewife also, you can help your children. If you are a working woman, you can still use this technique. It's a so powerful technique which is going to start. Now, before I tell you when it's going to start, let me tell you how much is the course fee. It's a certificate course. Remember, you get a handout also. And now you will get some bonus material, because it is a basic to advanced. I don't want to waste my time in a very basic thing, so I've created a course, an audio program long time back, which normally sent for 2000 plus GST, 2360 will be given to you as a bonus. So you don't need to pay 1 lakh rupees, you don't need to pay 50,000 rupees, you don't need to come to Hyderabad for 2 full days, attend a workshop for 15 days. 15,000 and spend money on your coming and going and staying in the hotel. You can do it from your home. You don't need to pay 10,000, you don't need to pay 5,000, you don't need to pay even 3,000, my friend, and you don't need to even pay 2,000. You have to just enroll for a very minimum amount which you spend in a hotel when you go for a light snacks or dinner. For two of you, much lesser than that. It is only 1,100 plus GST. That comes to 1298. That's all, 1298, and you'll get a bonus at the end. A complete course we may give you in the beginning also, so that you can watch those videos, listen to those videos, and learn lot of handouts. And it's a practical workshop, no theory, little bit theory, but more tools. After this workshop is over, you will be a totally powerful person. You will be so powerful, you can go into self-hypnosis instantly, program your mind and come out, whatever the situation is, whatever situation you are facing, good or bad. You can achieve success, you can handle any situation using this tool automatically. Think about it. Don't you need this? Everybody needs it. I use it all the time. Right now, while giving and talking to you on this video, I have gone into my self-hypnosis first, program your mind to give a lecture here, and notice how confidently I am talking to you right now. So these are the very, very powerful tool you are going to learn. So the fees is only 1298, only one time. I may or may not do this workshop again. This is the kind of workshop happening first time in the world, my friend, where I'm giving you so many tools, and you will learn some advanced techniques on self-hypnosis which you never taught before. So you really want to take charge of your life, you really want to make your life more successful, want to achieve more success in your life, this is the course for you. Register right now, enroll right now, call on the number. Remember to send us your screenshot and your mobile number, your WhatsApp mobile number. Now, one more important thing, my friend, just making the registration is not enough. You need to send your screenshot. Why? Many times people, they don't have a Google Pay, Paytm, they get it done from somebody else's number. So immediately from that number, you send your number so that we can track. Otherwise, it becomes very difficult for us to track. So my friend, take charge of your life right now. Enroll right now. Thank you very much, and see you soon personally.